In this video, you will learn how to send and receive Ton using the Tonkeeper wallet. Okay, we shall be focusing on three things in this video. The first is how to install and create Tonkeeper wallet, which is the wallet that we use to interact with the Ton chain or Ton ecosystem. Okay, the second is how to use the feature on the Tonkeeper wallet, and the next thing, which is very important, is how to interact with the app, smart contract, and applications on Ton chain. Let's get at it. Okay, so the first thing is how to install and create Tonkeeper wallet. So what you need to do is to go to tonkeeper.com. Look at this is the URL tonkeeper.com. And when you go to tonkeeper.com, you scroll down. You can see that we have the iOS, Tonkeeper iOS, Tonkeeper Android, and Tonkeeper desktop. Okay, to briefly state, Tonkeeper is a wallet, is one of the wallets that you use to interact with Ton chain. We'll be focusing on the Tonkeeper browser extension. Okay, so I'll go with Brave. I'm currently using the Brave browser. I will install the Brave browser. Here I have it. This is Brave browser, and also to state very quickly, you can install it on your phone. You can install it whether you are using Android device or you are using iOS device. You can install it. Yeah, but for the purpose of this video, we'll focus on the extension. So the next step is to click on Add to Brave, and it will load and downloads successfully. Okay, still loading. Okay, here we have it. It's downloaded. Then the next thing is to click on these extensions and pin it. This Tonkeeper wallet, and pinning it. So when you pin it, what happens is that the icon or the logo appear here. So it will be easy for you to know the wallet you have, or when you click here, and to show the wallet you have, to show the Tonkeeper wallet. So the next thing is to set it or create an account. Okay, so we'll click on get started. Okay, we'll click on create new. If you already have an account, you can import wallet. Yeah, but we don't have. We are creating a new account. So it will open an interface. Okay, and on this interface, we'll click on continue. This is a 24 passphrase, a 24 word passphrase. So you are expected to keep this passphrase. Although in practice, nobody is expected to see your passphrase. Okay, you are expected to write it down in a notebook and keep it far away, and keep it in a place where nobody has access to it, because the one that has access to your passphrase also has access to your funds or to your crypto asset. So we copy it. Okay, for the purpose of this video, we copy it and keep it somewhere safe. Okay, let's keep it in a place where we'll be able to see. Okay, passphrase. So this is one. Okay, so we'll do it until we get to the end, because we'll be using it. That is why I'm writing it down beginning today. Then we'll also copy this, but ensure you write it down. We'll copy this and also write it. So paste here. This is 13. Okay, so let's just leave it this way, and I believe you understand what I'm trying to do here. Okay, so we'll go to the next step. Click go to the next step. Continue. Click on continue. Then we need to impute, okay, word 1, 15, and 18. So let's look at what we have. 1, 15, and 18. 1 is enable, 15 is float, and 18 is cage. Enable, float, cage. Enable, float, and cage. Okay, so let's enter it and see what happens. Yeah, so that's correct. So create our password. Okay, let's enter your password. Okay, so I've created a password. Ensure you have a password. Congratulations, you have set up the wallet. So we have created our wallet. So the next thing is to open the wallet and see how to go through on how we can use the features on Tonkeeper wallet. Okay, here we have it. You can create as many wallets as you like. You can set up many wallets. Yeah, but the purpose of this video will limit ourselves to this wallet. Okay, you can see on the home page, we have buy, we have send, we have receive, and beneath we have wallet, we have history, we have browser, and we have settings. Okay, so the first thing you need to know is that all your token or your coins will appear here beneath this Ton. Okay, it will appear here. Now let's look at the buy feature, the send and the receive feature. Okay, now if you want to buy coin, okay, you click on buy. For country that support using of credit card or debit card, you can do that. Okay, so this is a company, okay, or this an app that you can use, a platform you can use to buy or to buy Ton. If you want to buy Ton, you can do it. Okay, so let's quickly look at what you need to do, what you need to do to do that. okay, let's say you want to send, okay, let's say you want to send, you are sending or soul, and let's say you're sending 2 soul and you want to get ton. Okay, so this number of ton you get 52 ton, then you click on I agree and you continue on with the exchange. Okay, continue with the exchange. Now in order for this to work, you can see that on Changely you can exchange, you can buy, you can sell, and you can use DeFi. Okay, so whichever you want to do, you can do it, and you can use floating rate, and you can also use fixed rate. Okay, so you enter the wallet address that you want to enter. You enter external ID. So let's assume this is it. You enter it here. Then you click on the next step. You click on the next step, click on the next step. Okay, so the next step will bring you here. So what you do here is you send it to this wallet, and you send it to that wallet, and you have your token, you have your tone delivered to you. Okay, so that is how to exchange using Changely. You can buy and you can also sell. All right, so that is how to use Changely, the buy feature on Tonkeeper. So the next is send. So let's assume I've copied the address. Let's assume we want to send ton to somebody. Okay, then we'll paste the address on the recipient address. Probably I can write my name, progress. Okay, then I'll click on continue. Then I will impute the amount of okay, let's say I want to send 2 ton to somebody or 10 ton to somebody. I'll click on the amount and click on continue. Automatically it will go. So the reason why it's showing insufficient balance is because it's a new wallet, and we don't not fund it yet. So the same is applicable with receive. Okay, to receive, what you need to do is to copy your address and send it to the person that is sending you the token or the coin. Now in sending it, you are expected to write the chain. Okay, writing chain, we enable you, we make sure that the person sending it does not send it to the wrong address. So that is how to use the buy feature, send and receive feature. Okay, so history shows all the transactions that you have been doing, your buy, your receive, and your sending. It shows it. So whenever you are looking for a proof of transaction, you can go to history and you get received. You can track all the transactions that you are making. Then browser is where you can access the different applications built on Thorchain. And setting is simply where you can configure. Okay, where you can configure your settings. You can also see your recovery phase here. But let's focus on browser, which take us to the third thing that we want to achieve in this video: how to interact with the app using the Tonkeeper. Okay, so on the app we have different applications. The app, decentralized applications. For example, we have digital nomad. It contains list of applications. We have exchanges. Okay, it contains different applications. We have DeFi. Okay, we have NFT. Okay, and this is one of the NFT platform, one of the NFT platform, Ton Diamond, and it's so appealing. And it's so appealing. It is aesthetic. It is very beautiful. It has beautiful collection. So let's go back to what we are trying to do. Okay, so let's look at one of the DeFi platform. DeFi platform. Let's look at under DeFi we have StoneFi as a leading decentralized exchange. So we'll click on StoneFi and see how we can interact with some applications there. Okay, or with some token. How can swap tokens. So on StoneFi, you see we have swap, we have pool, we have stake, and we have more. I'm going to create another video to explain how to use this. But simply put, let's say you want to swap. There's a new token, or there's a token that has potential that you want to buy. Okay, and you want to swap ton to that token. So what you need to do is to come to this platform, go to Tonkeeper and search for a StoneFi, then click on connect. Okay, so we are using this. Okay, and I'm using browser extension. Okay, so it will open up. Okay, it will open up, and I'll simply connect. Perfect. So I'm currently connected to StoneFi decentralized exchange. So what I'll do next is to swap. We are using the swap feature. I'm swapping from Ton to the token that I want to buy. Let's say the token is on CoinMarketCap. I'll search for the contract address. Let's say I'll sign for the contract address Redo. Okay, so Redo is one of the meme coin on Tonchain. I'll go and I'll scroll down. Okay, I scroll down and get the contract address for Redo. So this is the contract address for Redo. I'll copy the contract address. Now you can copy contract address from CoinMarketCap, from CoinGecko, and you can also copy it from the project website too. Okay, and you can also copy it from Dex too and the screener. Okay, so these are the platform you can use. You can copy contact address from. So I'm swapping Noton to Redo. So I'll click on this place, then I'll impute. Okay, I'll paste the address. Look at it. You look at it, Redo. Okay, and I want to swap 10 ton to Redo. You can see I'll have 117.445 Redo. Okay, so the next thing is to click. Once I have the phone, I'll click on the swap, and I will have Redo in my wallet. So I'll see Redo. I'll see the token that I've just swapped. I'll see it on this homepage. Okay, guys. So this is how to install and create wallet, how to use the features, and how to use the Tonkeeper wallet to interact with the app, with centralized applications on Tonchain. Okay, if you find this video very helpful, kindly subscribe to this channel, like, and share with others. So on top of this channel, there's a video that shows how to make money on Tonchain. Okay, click on it and watch it. You find it very, very, very valuable. In that video, we taught on strategies to make money on Tonchain. Yeah, thank you, and have a good day.